Okay, nothing says we are ready for spring than seafood. Got some king crab leg pieces in here along with some lobster tail. And, ooh, it's gonna be yummy. Yeah, this is Kitchen Jazz with Luefras. Gonna put this in the oven. Put some foil on top. I have just a little itty bit of water in the bottom. I sprinkled just a tad of Cajun seasoning. And now I'm gonna make this butter sauce. Yummy. Okay, about to go in the oven. I put 2 little slits here on the top of the foil. And again, about 12-ish minutes. You know I can't really keep time. But yeah, about 12 minutes and we should be good to go. All right. And the oven is on 380, so again, about 13 minutes or so. Well, I know I said 12, but about 13 minutes or so, we should be good to go. And unsalted butter, because we're gonna add a little bit of that Emerald's Cajun seasoning, and ooh, it's gonna be awesome. Didn't want anything too heavy to go with the crab legs and lobster tail, because honey, I just want plenty of room in my stomach to enjoy that crab and lobster. So no potatoes or corn, just thought I would do a little kale salad. Got some mushrooms in here right off the Wegmans salad bar. Yum, yum. Have some garlic paste. And do just a little bit of that. Well, you know me when I say a little bit, because I want that garlic to be kicking. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh, I wish you could smell it. Oh yeah. I wish you could smell it. And I realized that I'm out of lemon. I don't have any lemon in the fridge, so I do have some lemon juice. I'm gonna put that in last. I'm just gonna do a hit of that. And this is really quick. Doesn't take long at all. I'm just gonna let this come to a little boil. Once we have everything in here, I'm gonna turn it off. Let it set a little bit. You know what? I think I want a little more garlic. Imagine that. Just a little more garlic. Who said there's a such thing as too much garlic? No way. And you guys know me well enough to know I do not measure. So I'm just gonna do a little pinch of basil. A little pinch of cilantro. You know, and it's kind of up to you what herbs you want to put in your butter sauce. I looked up a few options online, and you can do Italian herbs. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of Cajun. Oops, that's quite enough, Luefras. I'm gonna turn this down. So we don't want it to burn. Oh yeah. Oh, doesn't this look wonderful? Oh my goodness. This looks so good. So good. And honey, when I poured over that seafood, oh. You talking about making love? Okay, now I'm just gonna hit it with just a little cap of the lemon juice. Just a little bit. Okay. Guess what? We have our butter sauce for our seafood. Man, I can look at this and tell it is gonna be just wonderful. Oh my goodness. Oh man. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be so good. Ooh, that garlic. Oh yeah, baby. Now you know it's about to be on and popping, and let me just tell you, because these were frozen, I misinformed you. I cranked that oven up to 425 and actually ended up doing about 30 minutes and spent the last 10 minutes on high broil. So I stopped at midway and put a little bit of my butter sauce up there, and now we're gonna finish it off. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Ooh, this looks so good. Oh, honey, those beautiful herbs and that butter sauce. Yes. Honey, look at this. Oh my goodness. Other than your kids, have you ever seen anything so beautiful? I said other than your kids. Honey, this is just gonna be some Smackdown delicious eating up in here. Like I said, I actually cranked that oven up to 425. Ended up, because we started from a frozen state, the lobster, I did rinse with some cold water so that it wouldn't be as frozen solid, but about a total of 30 minutes. Last 10 minutes I put on broiled high, and we've got our butter sauce up here. Honey, we're about to throw down. Yes.